Here we go again, back to another print. It is a battery holder. See these fine strands? Very, very fine strands, and they come straight off. But what's that, I wonder? Do you guys know what that is? Very pleased with this. This is now printing with the 0.6 nozzle. I think it does speed it up a little bit, and I think the prints come off really, really well. Look at that detail there. You don't really get a lot of issues, I don't think. Very tidy, clean printing. Yeah, pleased. I'll sort of give you an up to date. Still printing with the 0.6 nozzle. Let me know what you guys think. Have you tried the 0.6 nozzle? Or have you tried anything different to the 0.4, which I think is pretty standard size nozzle? Anyway, the printer's working well now. I had to re-level the bed. I don't really like these blocks. I've re-leveled it, and it's all working well now, and I have to set the let's see if I can do this. So if I go to tune, see where that. Yeah, so there. That's thereabouts is where it is at the moment, but that stayed constant now. That has all the way through. I don't know if that's pretty normal or not normal, but it is working fine, so I'm not going to change anything. I think we've got the right squish on it, if you like. But you know how you guys are getting on with your prints. This one's not finished, but it is close to finishing. Let's see how long that's been printing for. Let's see if I'll go back. Two hours 50, but it wasn't running full speed, so yeah, probably about 3 hours. I think it's quite close to finishing, so probably about 3 hours to make a battery holder. Cool. Catch you later.